Okay, I have took a free challenge, 200K free challenge you have seen here. Every day when we take a challenge, we should divide our risk management plan. For example, if it is 200,000 account, one person is 2,000, 2% is 4,000, and 3% and 10%. Our target in a prop firm challenge, we all know we have target if we 8% or 10%. If our target is 8%, it would be a 16,000. If we target a if we use FTMO and other, they have 10% target. And in my forex fund, we know that they have 8% target. And we have we have a nice breakdown that 1% is how much amount and 2% is how much amount. So our target will be in a, if we day trade, if we intraday trade, our target should be not lose more than 2% in a day. And if we not lose more than 3 or 4% in a week. Once we hit 3 or 4% in a week, we should take a break, because mental capital is very important in those situations. And this is a FTMO challenge, risk management plan. And I have detailed risk management plan in my office computer. I don't have access now. I'm in a vacation. So this is a FTMO challenge. And another one is a personal account, gaining 5%. Some people say that gaining 5% is very small amount, but it is not. It is not. Gaining 5% consistently make us very nice return. In this calculation, in this small calculation, you will see power of consistency. If you have consistently gain 5%, for example, you started with the balance with 10,000, and you gain 5%. This you compounded. After 1 year, you will have balance 17,000, almost 18,000 balance. After 3 years, you will have almost 58%, $58,000 in your account. So don't ignore the power of consistency, and gain a small, try to make 2 3%, 5%. It will change if you gain the consistency. But some people try to gain 20%, 30%, 50%, and in some month they gain that, and other month they lose their whole account. That should not be our target. Our target should be gaining small return with a consistency. And doubling, some people in the beginning, some people try to flip their account. For example, they invest $500, they try to make $1,000 in a month, and sometimes they become successful. But most of the time they lost their all account balance. That should not be our target. Our target should be gaining a small return, and be consistent. If you have any question, you can ask about.
You were perfect, Hasib. You were perfect. Your mentions were perfect because, as you mentioned before, challenges, FTMO or my forex fund, the other stuff, ATC, are always about risk management. I know that very, very, very silently.
Yeah.
So you are perfect.
Yes. I have a very nice calculation and risk management plan. In future, I will share it. I have calculated in my office computer, and I have that detailed plan. Currently, I don't have access on that, but the concept is very simple. When you take FTMO challenge or my forex fund challenge, don't lose much. Another interesting thing is that when you start the challenge, you will first few percent, for example, 1%, 2%, 3%, or even 4%, 4% gain. You will see that you have gained those profit very easily. After that, you will face challenges, because you feel pressure to trade. that is mental side of the game. And you, when you start to feel the pressure, and you will start making mistakes, you will take early, you will not, you will resist yourself not to lose much. All of those psychological thing comes to play. So for example, if we want to be a good prop firm trader, I think we should have few thing in the right place. For example, a system, a system. Number two is proper backtest and proper understanding of the system.
Yep.
And when you have a system, for example, day trade setup is a system. You have downloaded it, you have collected it, you have saw few of my video, and you have observed in a historical chart. You have a proper understanding of the system. Now you know that we you know that, for example, let me probably you did not see my screen, right? My
I can see it. I can see it.
Can you see my Excel sheet here, Google spreadsheet?
No, I can see
Oh, sorry,
FTMO
sorry, sorry.
demo
Let me let
accounts.
me let me share that also.
Okay.
Let me share that. Yeah. Uh, I'm sorry that you did
No,
not
no, it's
see
all right.
that.
It's all right. It's all right. It's
Yeah,
all right.
yeah, yeah. Now you are seeing it, right?
Yep, I can see it.
Yeah. I was talking about this profit and risk breakdown of for prop firm, and this is for personal account. And I'm now talking about the system. Okay, you, first of all, you have to have a system. Then you have to have proper understanding of the system. When your system work, when your system did not work, you know that no system work every time in the market, since market move by other things, other many complex things. But we are technical trader, we try to focus on technical part of the game. That's why we manage risk, we place a stop loss, we place take profit. But every system, for example, my day trade setup is a moving average base and super trend based system. Of course, it worked very well in a trending market. When it did not work, it usually did not work in a choppy market. That's why we we break down higher time frame to smaller time frame to grab the little momentum and other things. There are a lot of techniques there. But a system, first of all, we have to have a system. Then we have to have a proper understanding of the system, when it work and when did not it work. Then we have to develop some confidence in the system. When we do all
Mhm,
of this thing,
mhm,
we will have a little bit confidence. Then even we have a proper system, we will lose money. And because if we don't apply this management properly, then will develop a risk management plan. For example, we'll target 1 to 2% in a day, or we'll target downside. For example, we'll not lose more than 1% or 2% in a day. When we have a two losing day, we'll take a 3-day break. This kind of thing. We have a risk management plan. Then comes to self management plan. And self management plan is a lengthy process, because you have to develop some good habit to overcome, to control yourself, not to be emotional, not to be revenge trading mentality. You have to control all of this thing. And you have to develop few rules. For example, if you lose 2 consecutive day, you will take 3-day break. For example, if you lose 3% in a week, you will not trade that week. You will not see the chart. You will do other thing. And you will start fresh. And you will look for good setup. You will do some back testing work, and you will gain confidence. And you will take, whenever you trade, you will try to take whenever you trade, you will try to take a screenshot. That those things will gain confidence, and day by day you will become more more efficient, more skillful in trading game. This is
Yeah.
this is general understanding, and this is our goal. And another thing, system on when we have a system, when we have a risk management plan, or when we have other thing, then we have to practice our system. If we want to practice, then we have to do some trial, FTMO trial, for example. If you pass two challenges, for example 10,000 K challenge, if you pass two free trial challenge, go for 50,000 or 100 K trial. This trial will give you more emotional control, more self control, more self confidence, because when the balance size is change, people's psychology change. You, for example, you pass some people that some people that they pass 10K challenge, but they feel challenged when it comes to 200K challenge or 100K challenge. That's why you pass few challenges, and when you pass few challenges and take a break and write down few rules, and if possible share your trade with others, and keep a journal, and then go for life, and go for challenges. Purchase, for example, my forest fund 10K challenge or 5K challenge or 50K challenge, whatever it is, purchase and trade. And so another thing I want to share, that people, another thing happened, that is people pass first stage of the challenge. I have seen it happen with me, that I pass first 10%, I gain 10% in a 30 day, which is more challenging. I pass it, but when it comes to second stage, I fail, because I have seen many traders, they fail second stage, because they did not take break. When you have past first stage, you should take a 5 to 10 day break, and you start fresh. 5% gaining 5% in 60 days is very easy. So you should take a break, and you should start again. And then but then after passing the second stage, you have third stage, because if you don't pass that stage, you will not get your return. You should take very small and very carefully for the third stage. When you pass the third stage, you will gain your return with other thing. I hope you have gained some knowledge yeah, in this FTMO challenge thing. So I have decided that I will I will try to live trade this account. And if you have any question, or if you have anything to share, you can share. uh,
Well, I want to ask you, Hasib, that what is your strategy? Like, do you trade with supply demand, support resistance, or do you have any special strategy? Like, I want to know it. I want to know that.
Yeah. Of course, your question is very valid. I have understanding about supply and demand. I have understanding about support and resistance, and I have understanding of some ICT concept and other concept. I know market structure. So I
Mhm.
have applied all of those, but currently I'm just focusing on market structure and data setup strategy. Since I have back tested and forward tested this strategy. You are seeing my MT4 chart, right?
Yes, I can see.
Yeah, I have within this system framework, I use market structure. For example, market structure, for example, we all know that how market moves. Market This is impulsive, corrective, and small impulsive, small
Yep.
corrective, and impulsive. So market never moves in a linear line. So market never moves directly, but it moves up and down, up and down. Huh? That is the market behavior. So for example, here in this chart, we have seen that if you trade with the data setup strategy, you know that you could buy here. For example, here, all other indicators, this triple super trend indicator giving you a buy signal. This is a buy entry, and the color of the EMA is green. You could buy here or here. But if you look at market structure and other understanding, you will see that this is a high, this is a low. The price is moving within this range, right?
Mhm.
Price is currently moving in this range. So currently moving in this range, and if we sell here, for example, there is a sell setup. If you say that if we get a black candle, it will be a sell setup, but we will not enter, probably will not enter this sell, because the structure of the market is currently the structure of the market is ranging in H4 chart. Yes, we could sell this in a small time frame, where we will target for example 30-40 pips we will target there. But we'll not sell it in 4-hour chart, because market did not break this structure yet. And the we have seen that the price is in a range here, but 20 EMA is holding, because the price is still in a uptrend here in daily chart. And 4-hour chart, we are in a ranging market. And 1-hour chart, we have
Mhm.
seen that we could have entered here. We could have entered here, because the prices rejecting the daily open line. Whenever price closed above daily open line, we could have entered here, but it is against EMA direction, so we did not trade this. In 15-minute chart, if we go there, we could have we have a nice buy entry here. For example, when the structure break, this is a structure in 15 minutes. Why I did not buy? Because the structure, you know that. Let me
Yes, yes.
you let me tell you, this is a upside move. What is it? This is a downside move. This downside move did not break this low, right? This is a higher low. And
Yep.
whenever price break this structure, this is a structure break happen. Now structure break happen, now we could open a buy trade here. For example, if price move like this, and if it started to move higher, then we'll try to buy here for a small profit. We'll not target for large profit here, because this is a weekly open line. And another way is, when price break the weekly open line, we could have buy from 4-hour chart. We are seeing that there is a possibility, there is a good possibility that since we are in a range, the price move higher there. This area, price could have moved higher in 4-hour chart. This is an open area. So
Yeah.
we'll try to take. We don't have to take all of this open area. 30-40 pips, 20 pips is good enough, because every day, if we gain 20 pips every day, it is a nice return. So currently, I'm in. If we go to 5-minute chart, we are seeing that this is a ranging market. So we are looking for some downside momentum, and then acceleration with the upside. Just London open. London market is open now. We are observing price. This is a rejection, 2 or 3 rejection candle in 15-minute chart. Let's see how it works. Okay. Okay, this is GBP USD. The GBP USD currently in a range, and we are not buying it right now, because it's still 1 hour EMA is still red, and 6 EMA did not close 21 EMA yet. Another participant joined, but he don't talk anything. His name is Mark. Hello, Mark.
I think he wrote something to the chat. Yeah.
Yes, hello, yes. Sorry, I cannot participate actively. I got work to do in the background.
Yeah. Mark, how
Sorry
are
to be
you?
a silent participant. How are you, everyone?
Mark, where are you from?
Singapore. I'm
You're
from
from
Singapore. I'm from Singapore.
Singapore. Okay, okay,
Can you
okay.
hear me?
Yeah,
Okay,
I
okay,
can hear
great.
you.
Lovely.
Okay.
Okay.
Mark, you share some of your ideas here. You traded this system, right?
Yes, I do, but I'm so sorry. I'm doing work in the background, so I
Okay,
will not be able to participate actively.
okay, okay, okay,
Maybe the next few sessions, if I can
okay, okay,
join.
okay.
So sorry.
Uh,
I'll mute myself. Thank you
it's
for
okay,
sharing.
it's okay. We'll have a more live session, and we'll discuss. By doing this live session, I think everybody who wants to learn, they will gain some knowledge, as well as me. When I share some of my knowledge, and other people ask, it will improve my knowledge also. It is a win-winning situation. Just we have to give 30-40 minutes to learn. So
Yeah.
this is JPY current condition. This is a bullish candle. We could should we open any trade? No, I think this market is already moved quite a bit. So London session, I will not do anything. Okay. Now go to gold chart. Let's understand gold market. Just trading 2 pair is good enough. I think 2 to 3 pair is good enough. Gold market in a daily chart, I have seen that the price, uh, the market structure. I have talked about market structure. This is a high, and gold market, this is the low. Within this low, I have seen this is uh, if we see this condition, we are seeing that price is within the range of these two candle. Still 1 2 3 4 5, last 5 day price is within the range of this area. So it is
Yep.
it is in a ranging market. There is no doubt. We don't have to go other time frame, but we'll trade when we are in a longer time frame price in a range. We have a lot of opportunity in a small time frame to trade it. We just don't look for big target. We'll look for a small target. For example, uh, are we